Good evening, all my dear friends. My name is Gaurav Rathore. I am from English Ambience Coaching, and I am a student of Pawan sir. And now here Monu Gurjar and Himanshu sir.
I am Himanshu Sharma, at present Principal Himani Convent Higher Secondary School, Banmore, Director the St. Lakhandas Convent School, Banmore, and Co-Director at Patanjali Enterprises. If you talk about the academics, I have more than 8.5 years of experience in this field and 2 years of corporate experience after passing my PGDM in 2011. And after that, I had 3 masters. It means MBA, MA Economics, and MA English.
Handle student in your school, sir?
It totally depends on the student because there is a variety of students in their nature. There is some naughtiest, some very simple, and you can say that Gappu type students. So each and every student have to handle by their own tactics. You cannot say that if one tactic should be for each and every student.
Type student you like, sir?
I like the students who is hardworking and disciplined. Discipline is the foremost thing, and after the things are carry on.
Sir, according to you, a student is very important for the nation, and what things in the students and we can improve us.
As today's arena, that our character building is most important thing. You can capture the knowledge from any site, from books, net, and any other. But if there will be no character building in you, then it will be difficult for your generation, for the future. So my suggestion to all the youths that you have to be a knowledge person, no doubt, but with the character building.
Nowadays, what do you think about this? Now new generation is so very different and very intelligent, and they don't see who are you, how are you, and many things is that. Can you share with us your experience, the student life?
Life is always a memorable moment for any student. At that time, if you talk about the English, there is no more arena. Even if I find out almost out of 10, there is only 1 or 2 students who can speak in English. But you have a wonderful environment at present. As well as second more important thing is server, net, internet. So facility of internet is very positive to you. But it also demolishes you. So it's totally depend on you that how you capture the things.
Nowadays, parents are comparing one student to other student.
No, comparison is a universal truth. And it always comes from the ancient to modern. Comparison is always there. But today's comparison is just everybody is focusing on the marks. That is the problem. Because you cannot judge a student by just the marks. If you got 90%, you are well. If you got 70%, you are not well. So that is the problem in front of us, that parents are not thinking that marks can be a one parameter. Not all the parameters. I already told you in the starting that you have a character building. The problem is just a character, not a more than that.
Sir, what do you take on social media, sir, in nowadays?
Definitely a weapon. So it totally depends on you. You take it as a positive or negative. And most of the students are destroying at present by social media activities.
According to you, how to make a very best character?
Try to capture the knowledge by read more and more books, because 90% student at present, they are not focusing on the books. Knowledge building. You should be disciplined. You should be, you can say that, more focused on your future, what you have to do. So futuristic opinion is also a most important thing, and discipline definitely one.
Lockdown in COVID-19, all school and college closed. So what do you do in this time, sir?
That was a new thing, that online classes. Each and every student, teacher, school principals, all are running behind it. So I am also one of them. I just focus on the online classes, and I'm very thankful to my team, Mr. Prashant Shivare, Ankit, as well as my wife Priyanka Sharma. These all have contributed well in online classes, and we are giving the good result in rural areas as well.
Sir, offline class and online class, who is good for students, sir?
Both have their plus and minus. You cannot say that offline is good and online is good. Both have their pros and cons. If you want to study by one teacher and he was in Delhi, so how you will manage offline? No, there you have to opt with the online. So both have the pros. Follow the thoughts of Mr. Ratan Tata.
Very nice, sir.
Their one thought is that take a right decision at right time. Try to do that. But if you fail it, then whatever decision you have take, make it right. First you have to take your decision at a right decision at the right time. But if you fail, then you should have to try make it right. So first thing is that, and second thing is that early to bed, early to rise. That philosophy is also there. So I cannot say that little bit different from others. Maybe you going with it or not, but I can say that whatever time, whenever you feel tired, go and sleep, take a rest. And whenever you have a time, it is a night at 3 or afternoon at 2, no matter, go and work.
Sir, according to you, be should hard work and smart work. According to you, please, sir.
Both. You have to go with the hard work as well as the smart work. One thing cannot succeed.
I saw many people, they doing hard work, but they cannot able to achieve the target, sir.
Because they are not going with the smart work. Na?
But something is that luck is so very important or not?
5 to 10% always favor your life. According to me.
Luck with your favor, we can achieve such targets, sir.
No. Only luck cannot be. I already said you only 10%. 90% your hard work and smart work. In this 90%, there should be a proportion of 60-30. 60% hard work, 30% smart work, and then 10% luck will be favor you. Then definitely you get what you want to get.
Since if you are nowadays you are handle 2 schools, how, sir?
If you enjoy your responsibilities, nothing is impossible. Nothing will bore you. And if you talk about any organization or any responsibilities, if there is money, there is a fame, there is a reputation, definitely you will not go with the things that what will happen, and you will enjoy definitely. There is money, image and reputation.
Sir, according to you, money is important or time is important?
Both the things. Time is most important, no doubt. But something is there, without money you cannot survive. Money is just like a blood at present. If you want to sleep at present, this 50 degree or 49 degree temperature, if you have not physical amenities like fan, cooler and ACs, then how will you survive? And for that you have require money. But only money is not there. A Hindi quote is there, पैसा बहुत कुछ है लेकिन सब कुछ नहीं. Money is very important, but not the all.
According to me, our MP's education system so not good comparison than Delhi's education system. There are only teacher and parents only focus on pass in exam and achieve your government job. They don't want to make a business and many types. So what's your opinion this time?
If you compare with the other states, if you especially compare with the Delhi, then Delhi is a capital, and 70% persons are educated, and they are engaged in service sector more, and lot of the things. MP, you cannot compare them.
Sir, what's your hobby, sir?
I'm used to play cricket almost 6 to 7 hours in a day. Whenever I get the time, I engage with that old videos of Sachin Tendulkar, Yuvraj Singh, and so many persons. So you can say that. And second, my hobby is sleeping, no doubt.
Many times spent with the schools, because both are important. Families is very most important, and schools are very most important.
Definitely, you ask a very good question, no doubt. My wife is also engaged in the school activities. She is a headmistress at middle level. So most of the time she is with me. And my father is also a teacher. He is also engaged in them. So most of the time family and business are mixed up. And if you talk about the separate time, then I gave almost 10 to 12 hours for my corporate life, or you can say the academic life, and after that all the time for my family.
I saw many peoples, they fix the target, but they cannot able to achieve the target because they have no determination and they don't want to face the many problems, but they can they fix the target. So what should you what want you say about this? Because if we are fail so what your things, we should again reading and study important or not?
If you make a dig, 1 meter dig, 100 times, and 100 different spaces, what you get? Nothing. And if you dig 100 times only a one place, then what you will get? Definitely water and something else. So you just focus on that. Failures is, that's a part of life. And what is failure? Failure is nothing. Just think that it is a way of learning. Every failure you have to learn from that failure.
Life is whose marriage is good, love marriage and arranged marriage.
My arranged life is going well,
Thank you, sir.
and I have no experience of love marriage.
Yes, sir. And COVID-19 was running because all India and all in the world was facing many problems. If that time we was at home, because what the things learned to the COVID-19?
First of all, you have to be savings. Most important, savings is most important part. There should be no everything will be on EMIs, so you should not go there with it. And second thing, there can be a hurdle, and every 100 years there is a pandemic and lot of the things came. So you have to go with the challenges, you have to cope up with the challenges, you have to ready to learn the new things. We already told that online classes. I have no good hand in technical knowledge. I am very thankful to Mr. Prashant Sevare, who have a good knowledge about the techniques. So I just focus on it.
On the other hand, as you said that capital of India in the Delhi is very, nowadays education system is very nice, and as well as in the Goa in 93% educated person, because their population so very decreased, but in India the capital Delhi is so very most important place, and we can say how to change in MP like Madhya Pradesh, because nowadays government school conditions so very bad, and how to change, what are your things about this, sir?
You have to focus on the government structure. There should be a proper supervision. I'm not saying that government school does not have a good staff. They have a good staff, no doubt. They have literate and educated, experienced staff as well. But there is not a proper monitoring. If a teacher is came on 12 o'clock, he's ready to go after 2 o'clock. There is no monitoring. And our society have to take up a part in it. Because whenever you talk about the government schools, 90% parents are not ready to do the things whatever they have to do. That just like a teacher is came whenever time when time is came. So lot of the things is there.
Sir, nowadays DNS is increases very fast, and sir, petrol and diesel and oil's prices are very cheap. Nowadays petrol price 120 and mustard oil price is 200
There should be a proper fiscal policy of government. It is just a failure of government. And after pandemic, there is a lot of hurdles for the government as well. So they have to make a proper policy, and they have to motivate the business persons, entrepreneurs, and entrepreneurship and lot of the things that technical. If you talk about the policies, I thought BJP has a good policy, no doubt. But the monitoring and implementation of the policies on the ground floor is not there. You will find lot of persons which have MBAs, BE, polytechnics, technical diploma holders, and whenever you ask them anything about their courses, they are not able to dictate their names of the subjects as well. They have the degrees, but they have no experience, they are not going well. So that is a problem, according to me.
Nowadays, Madhya Pradesh as well as the whole India, education policy is changing, sir. Sir, what you think about it is good or bad?
Change is always a good, but implementation is more important. We are talking about all the things. Implementation is most important. You are doing a 12th class, you are doing a BE. It's not important you are doing a BE. How you are doing a BE? It's most important. How many efforts you are giving in your education? You are a student, he is a student. Which student will get success? The student who have give more efforts. So most important thing is your efforts. Education policy, new education policy is very good, no doubt. But are they able to implement in a well mannered? That is a question mark to us.
According to you, you are talking about that new education policy is good because many students are not able to, if comes the very early the new education policy, they cannot handle, sir.
If there is any problem, the problem to the teachers, because they have to change. Student is always ready to accept the change. So student does not have any problem.
Sir, nowadays and past time, one biggest problem that dowry system. Dowry system is the very biggest problem in our society. Many parents kill a doctor in one time. Main reason that dowry system. Your opinion? What dowry system good and bad, sir?
Always a bad, no doubt. But dowry system is going to decrease, no doubt. If you talk about the 2010, there is a little bit difference in 2020, and I thought that after 2040, 2030, there will be change. Because the policy of 4 and more than children are going decreasing. At present, if you will found out the persons, they have only 2 children or even 1 children. So it could not.
As you said that dowry system good or bad, sir, it is a policy of the Hindus, because if de wala kar wala like that, if we give, so we can get. It is a very most important things. Like if we go in the temples, if we give, if we give the time to the gods, so definitely gods give us time because it is a universal truth and it is a law. And second thing is that what your opinion about this, the dearness? What is the problems of the dearness, sir?
We have to go with the root causes of dearness. The root cause for it, corruption. That is the most important. In India, if there will any war, civil war in India, the reason will only and only corruption.
Which are important, government job or business, sir?
There should be a proper combination of three things: primary sector, secondary, and tertiary. Any economy of any world, any economy of any country is totally dependent on the three things: primary sector, agriculture sector, secondary and tertiary. So there is a proper business persons, there should be a proper education and all the things.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Monu Gujal. Thank you all of guys. We are finishing this sessions. Thank you for the watching the video. Thank you, sir.